What's up, YouTubers? Thanks for tuning in to Mo Metal Leather. So in this video, just wanted to show this belt that I've been working on. 2.5-inch buckle, heavy duty. I got the burgundy leather, and this is what it looks like when it's finished. When I clean the edges, I weatherize the whole belt. And let me show you the difference. I have this belt here that I've never finished. So this belt is similar to a 2-inch belt you will buy, say, Home Depot or any hardware store. But you'd be lucky to get this quality leather. This is burgundy, so 11 to 12 gauge, heavy duty leather. And it's already got a finish to it. But this, if you see here, it's not finished, it's not edged, it's not weatherized. Doesn't have any preservative products on it. So that's what you're gonna get, because when they make belts, it's mass produced, and they're not trying to make it last a long time. They want you to destroy the thing in a year or so and be back buying another one. So this gentleman making this belt for Wade the Ironworker, not Deadpool Wade, and this is gonna probably last this guy the rest of his career. This belt, like I said, it's got the added preservatives on it. I edged, waxed. Like, you don't even know how many more steps there is between this and this. So just wanted to share that with everyone. And you guys can have the honor of watching me put the last 2 rivets in and finish this belt up. Then it'll be packaged up. Maybe I'll take some pictures, of course, Instagram, whatever, and yeah, get this thing in a box and shipped out to Wade. He hasn't seen it yet. I haven't posted any pictures, obviously. So real quick, put these rivets in, the last 2, and finish this up. So that's what's good about having a hard surface. Makes it easier. Just do these rivets. Better than using like a little anvil or anything like that. So there you go. That's all set. Local 16 in the house. Drop my tool. There it is, folks. Got the roll buckle there. So on my finished belts, even the holes are cleaned up. Versus this, I just popped the holes. Pretty much. It's only a work belt, but you know, it's just small little details, small little things I do. That just makes the product better than something just mass produced. And it's custom made, of course. And that's it, folks. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subbing to the channel. And remember, work safe and don't be a flop dauber.